just thought I'd do a really quick tutorial on how to make a slip knot. So all you do is you hold your yarn, you've got the tail end here, and there's lots of different methods of doing it, but this is just my preferred method. So I cross over your thumb, hold on to it at the back, wrap it round at the front, take the top loop and cross it over that loop, and then you can insert your hook into that loop there and then just pull, and then it makes that little slip knot, and just guide it on. So we'll do that again. So thumb and index finger together, wrap your yarn diagonally, hold on to it at the back, cross it over, hold on to it again at the back, pull the loop down over the bottom loop, and then grab your hook and pull it up, and then just let go, and then your working yarn, just pull on it, and then it will just tighten up at the top. So we'll just do it once more. Cross over, hold on with your index finger, cross over again, hold on again, top loop, pull it down, grab your hook, insert it into that back loop there, hold on to both, let go of your tail yarn, and then just pull. And there it is, a simple slip knot.